I have been using this Smartring for 100 days now, so I will give you my honest opinion about comfort, the key features, the daily usage, the impact of my lifestyle, comparison to my smartwatch, and at the end I will give you my personal verdict. So let me tell you a funny story first. This Smartring is not just a Smartring, it's also a symbol to my commitment, a commitment to my love to my wife, because it's also my wedding ring. So when we got engaged, I asked my wife, because I'm not really a jewelry guy, the only thing I'm wearing is a watch, no necklace, no bracelet, nothing. So I say, hey, is it possible that I could wear a Smartring as my wedding ring? And she said, well, if you wear it, I don't care. As long as you wear it, it's fine to me. So yeah, I ordered this Smartring last year, and since we got married 100 days ago, I have been wearing this ring now. This Smartring comes with a case, a charging case. Good thing about it, first of all, that's how it fits in. Good thing about it is when you travel, I don't need an extra charger because it's kind of working like an airport case. So if I'm on the go, if I'm traveling, I don't need an extra wire for it. I can just charge it on the go. Pretty cool. So before you order, it comes with like a ring size fit. So it comes like in various sizes for your ring, just all in plastic. So I was wearing the size 7 for 2 days, and also, yeah, that fits very well. So comfort wise, in the beginning, as I said, I'm not a jewelry guy, so I wasn't really used to a ring. Sometimes when I was doing things, I could feel the ring. Also, it's a little bit thick. Well, all the electronics has to fit in here. But now after 100 days, most of the times, yeah, I don't even notice that the ring is there. Actually, I notice when the ring is gone. The only bad thing about it is like when I wash my hands or I'm taking a shower, sometimes the ring is not on the perfect position anymore. So we always have to check the sensor. Now you can also see the LEDs blinking right now. So they are doing something, the ring measuring something. So the bad thing is there's no indicator on the outside. I think that's the only thing I do not like about it. And I couldn't go a size smaller, because if I was going a size smaller, I need to charge it like every 7 days. So that would be tough taking the ring off, and that's why I chose this size. Let's talk about the key features of the ring. So it's gonna track basically the sleep, activity, stress, and your heartbeat. On the bottom, you see also the health timeline. So it gives me like a nice message like, yeah, I reached my sleep goal. Sleep gap was minus 50 minutes. Let's talk about the sleep. So in the sleep, you get, first of all, your sleep score. You get your total time of sleep. You also can say like, you can rate your sleep, how it was. And then it tells you time of sleep, time in bed, sleep efficiency, all these things. And then you can see here on the graph, you see the time where you have been awake, your REM sleep, light sleep, and deep sleep. And then it also tells you like how it was, that it's like here, it's for example, it says REM sleep is not within the optimal range. So now I should maybe see a doctor for it. No, just kidding, it's not that bad. It shows the heart rate is kind of pretty moderate. The HRV, the oxygen, even the skin temperature, all these things. I can add naps. It gives me an average of the last week, so I can see how my sleep in the last few days. Then next, the activity. So here as well, activity score. Well, it's early in the morning. Please don't judge me over a score of 25. I've only been walking around 800 steps here in the house. Calories, just 863. So I guess no lunch for me today. Standing shows you the activity intensity, so it's good for sports. And it shows here my activity summary. You see here in the afternoon, usually it has a spike because that's usually where I go for a walk. And also here you can press in the corner, you can press which exercise you're doing: outdoor running, indoor running, outdoor cycling. Outdoor walking is unfortunately not available yet, but as you can see, they're still working on new features. This feature came, I think, like 2 months ago. I'm waiting for the outdoor walking because this is what I do most of the days when the weather is good. Then we have here the stress level as well. Here we have a stress score, the stress ratio, then sleeping stress before sleep. Oh, this was improvable. Don't know what I did. I was watching NBA, so the Mavericks got me a little bit heated during the sleep, and a summary of all the other days. And then you have the heart rate, all these things like your oxygen, HRV. So let me talk about daily usage and the impact of my lifestyle. The most features I like about the ring is the sleep tracking and the activity tracking. After riding in Brazil, I felt my sleep after waking up, I wasn't really energized. I felt a little bit drowsy over the day, and I didn't really know why. I noticed I was waking up sometimes, but yeah. And since I was wearing the ring, I could see it now. Yeah, I had many awake states. So I tried to use magnesium to improve my sleep. Tried to do exercise before going to bed, helps as well. Reading a book, but now my sleep is better, which can also be a reason because now I've been living here over 6 months, so I just got used to my new environment. If you move to another country, it can mess up obviously your sleeping. Besides the sleep tracking feature, I really like the step tracking feature. Before that, I was wearing my smartwatch so I could see how many steps I was taking during my workday. But now I have the Smartring. So let's talk about the comparison to my smartwatch. Sleep tracking, I could have done the sleep tracking with my smartwatch, but I don't like to wear this clunky thing during the night. So this ring is way more convenient. Also, if you're going on a walk, it's way convenient as well to just wear this small, tiny ring, which I don't even notice. And besides that, I have been wearing this ring now constantly, besides when it's charging. So I can even see the steps if I'm running around the house, maybe because I'm cleaning, whatever I'm doing. So this helps me also to see how many steps I'm actually taking during the day. Should you get the Ring-Con as well? When I checked for a smart ring, I got lots of ads from Oura, but I do not like the subscription fee, so I checked for alternatives. And from Ring-Con, it's cheaper, $270, and it has no subscription fee, so the app is free to use. And besides that, there are many more alternatives. Amazon is working right now on a ring, Samsung is working on a ring, Apple is working on a new ring, there's I think Ultrahuman, they're all with no subscription, so please do not get an Oura. Is it a must-have? I wouldn't say so. It's more a nice to have. As I said before, it's more convenient than my smartwatch, so if you're really keen into tracking your sleep and your steps, I would advise you to get one. The only thing which is missing on the ring yet, besides my smartwatch, is I don't see who's calling me or who's sending me a message. That's the only thing I wish the Smartring had. Otherwise, for $270, it's a more nice to have. And as I said before, I don't like subscriptions, so watch this video next where I talk about how subscriptions are making us poor and how I stopped it. See you there, my friend.